Click on the bottom right of the screen to set the sensor 0 pressure and flow. Hold the mask against the air for about 10 seconds. The display shows that the calibration was successful. Flow sensor calibration. Click on the bottom right of the screen to set the sensor calibration flow. Point the mask into the air after the progress bar reaches 50%. The lower right corner will prompt to turn the flow sensor. Using the through connector in the flow sensor package, turn the flow sensor to one side. Waiting to complete the follow-up 50%. The display shows that the calibration was successful. Airway resistance calibration. Click on the bottom right of the screen to set the sensor calibration resistance. Point the mask into the air for about 20 seconds. The display shows that the calibration was successful.